Okay, so how are you doing today? This is your what, third session? Stay down?
My third session.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I just want to know if you can just check my knees or my legs.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah, like pretty
Okay.
much align myself more.
Okay. Keep your hands down, please. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Go on your side, please. Face me. Give me a hand. Okay. You used to run truck?
Yeah.
Okay, relax. Okay. Sit up, please. You don't do it anymore?
No, I haven't run in a while.
Work, huh?
Yeah, work in school.
Work in school kills.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. It's all for the good.
Hmm.
So, no range of motion. Okay, relax. Okay. Oops.
It's
yeah.
okay.
Okay. Okay, let's adjust your lumbar spine.
Okay.
Just put your pelvis back in place. Okay, sit up. Stand up. Okay. Go on your side, face me.
This way?
Yeah. Keep this leg straight. Okay, relax. Relax your shoulder. That was a good one. Okay. Go ahead, take your shoes off.
Right.
And socks as well. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands afterwards. Okay. How much percent of improvement in your spine?
Oh, it's like 90%.
90%?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
it's
not
much
after 2
better.
sessions, that's pretty good.
So
Okay,
it's-
let's check your shoulder.
Okay.
See if anything going on over here. Does it hurt when you move it?
No.
Okay. So, okay, there's not much here. Let's see this one. Does this one hurt?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. Let's check your elbow. Okay, relax. Okay. A little bit here. Relax. Okay. Here's your full body adjustment.
Yeah, I need that.
Okay, relax. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and go this way.
Face up.
Face up, yeah. And put your feet right there. Okay. Okay, relax. There we go. That was a good one. Okay, let's try the leg. Okay. Okay. Move back up. Okay. Just relax. Put it right there. Relax. Oh my god, that was a big one. Okay. Okay. Does your knee hurt anywhere?
The left one sometimes kind of like randomly
Where? On the
hurts.
medial side or
It's
here
like-
or here?
It's like right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it hurt right there?
Not
When you
now.
press?
But no, not when you press.
Right there?
Yeah, it's there when it hurts. It just randomly hurts sometimes. I don't know why.
Okay. So maybe your patella is not tracking well. Okay. maybe there was some adhesion from too much running.
Mm.
So I'm gonna do some. I will ask Gail to massage it here as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, go on your stomach, face down. I'm gonna check something else. With that knee. It's this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, does it hurt on the press?
No.
How about when I pull up?
No.
No? Okay. This way?
No.
No? Yeah, just adhesion. So we can fix it with the
Okay.
massage and stuff like that. Do you do any stretches?
No, not anymore.
Yeah, you should be stretching.
Stretching.
Yeah, dude, everything seems to be very tight.
Okay.
Okay, you can get up.
Alright.
So let me know when I see you next time. Let me know how you feel after all
Alright,
this adjustment.
I sure will.
But I'm glad you're like 90% after 2 visits. So after this, probably gonna be 100%.
Hopefully, I'll be back for
Okay.
maintenance.
Yeah, you need to maintain it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see Gail. Okay.
Alright.
Lots of knots. Well, he's pretty tight, huh?
No, he's bone, Dr. Bert.
Yeah.
It's going like,
Well, that's why he's here,
I know.
to put it back in place.
It's construction. At a young age, bro.
Too
That's
much
why-
labor. That's why he's going to school, so
Right.
he doesn't have to do it.
Jesus Christ. You should be 25. You start.